Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from Goldman Sachs and one more from VMware to discuss in this video. So, it's applicable for wide range of batches and graduation criteria. So, let's see in detail format, like whoever can apply and everything in detail. Okay. So, if very new to our channel, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So, once you activate the bell icon, please enable the all options so that whichever video we upload, you will be getting notified regarding the same. Okay, so let's start with the Goldman Sachs first. So they are hiring, it's engineering campus hiring program. So identify top talent across India to join the engineering function at Goldman Sachs India. So the eligibility is 2022 for the the full-time employment, and 2023 batches as an internship. Okay, so this is it, and it's a 22nd new analyst position and 2 22nd summer internship, and the full-time job opens like around May or June, and the summer internship would be taken care around April or July. Okay, so this is the two jobs available, and cities will be Bengaluru and Hyderabad. So the deadline to submit the application is on January 3rd, but I would highly recommend, if you're ready, please to apply it as soon as you watch this video, because in course of time you will miss them. You may skip to apply, so you may miss those golden opportunity. Okay, now coming to the program timelines, this is it. So soon after the registration ends by January 3rd, on 9th of January, the aptitude test, that will be the first round, which is the assessment round to start. In that, aptitude test will be there and technical test will be there by February 13th. So it's a filtration round. Every round is a filtration round. And after that, around the 4th week of February, then you'll be having the interviews to go. Okay, so like 4th week to 2nd week of March, it do extend. After that, you will be taken care of the further process, onboarding kind of things. Okay, so that's it. That's about the program timeliness. And next we have the eligibility criteria. So it's as simple as that. It's all for all engineering students, graduation or postgraduate. So basically BE, BTech, ME, MTech, then MCA kind of students can try applying it in here. So a pre-final and final year, that is 2022 students is the final year, and pre-final year will be 2023 passing out students. So this is the opportunity for both of them. Okay, so that's it. And to apply for that, you can click on this register button and continue with the application process. So these are the two links provided. You can click on them and continue with the application process. Okay, so currently, I have made a login. So if you don't have an account in Goldman Sachs, then you can create them and continue with the process. Okay. So this is it. You can see here, to begin your application, select from one of the programs here. So just go to this link and select one of the program. These are the programs available, and select them and continue with the application process. Okay. So application process is pretty same in every sense, because they wanted to know about your background, like your personal details, your contact details, your education information, then which you're applying for, and do you align with the eligibility criteria, those many things. Okay, so make sure you have a look at all those things and apply it at the earliest. Okay, so yes, if you just click on this new analyst, you can see this is the thing, and you can just navigate through. Okay, so this is it. These are the things that you have to complete. So they have given every simple things to go, that is completed, mandatory, not mandatory, completed, everything. So here everything is in incomplete status. So you can fill them and get it completed. So position reference is there, then contact information, education, skills and qualifications, disclosure, affiliation, then declaration. So these are the different application formats that you have to provide. So provide that and apply it at the earliest. So if you have any doubts regarding any of the things, please take a pause and just check how you can fill. So it's a campus recruitment, so you will have immense help from your your team, your placement at your college too. You can even ask them for the kind of reference or for the kind of helps for that. And as soon as you get all the information to fill up this completely, try applying to that. Okay, so now coming to the CTC provided, Goldman Sachs is a high paying jobs ever you can get. So I'm not saying this is the package, but average 6.4 plus LP is the average package for the freshers there for this analyst, new analyst role. It will be greater than that according to the different criteria. So this is the average base salary provided. Okay, so that's about the Goldman Sachs. And next we have an opening from VMware to discuss. So before discussing that, I have a golden announcement to make. That is, we have an aptitude and reasoning classes that is about to start on 27th of November, and the end date is on 11th of December. So here will be discussion. What is the main thing will be the TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture 10 years question papers which will be discussed. And if you have attended any of the exams, online assessments for this multiple times, you might have came across a pattern. That is, if you just go to know about the syllabus and if you could refer a few of the previous year question papers, then obviously you can get through the exam. That is how the pattern is. So if you could attend this session, if you could attend this particular course that we are offering, then obviously you can make sure that you will get through the online assessment. Okay, so the link to that will be there in the description. You can get it from there and continue with the registration process. So whole of this is available to you at just rupees 199. So the materials, the video recordings, live interactive sessions to clear your doubts, and everything will be provided. So please do make sure that you prepare enough well before you move on to any of the exams. Okay, so preparation is the key, is the only key to success. So make sure you do that from your part. Okay, now let's move on to the VMware provided. So VMware is hiring for the associate technical support engineer who has graduated in 2021. Okay, so this is for 2021 graduates, and eligibility criteria will be BE, BTech, CSIS, and EASY. 70% across their academics from 10th to BE. So that is from the SSC, that is school education till your graduation. They want you to have a consistent record of, the percentage of around 70%. Okay. If you're working currently, you can still apply. That's also fine. And please find the job description. Hiring for associate technical support engineer. Location is Bangalore. And you can see about the company details they are provided here, and this is the insight into your role. So this is actually what you will be performing there. So resolve customers issue via the telephone, email, or WebEx sessions, reproducing issues in-house and responding back in a timely manner, regular flow ups with customer with recommendations, updates, and action plans, then escalation issues in a timely manner according to standard operating procedures, then leverage internal technical expertise, includes peers, mentors, knowledge base, community forums, and other internal tools to provide the most effective solution to customer issues. Then create knowledge base articles to capture new learnings for reuse throughout the organization. Participate in technical communications within the technical support team to share the best practices and learn about new technologies. Then focus on area of technical specialization, attend technical trainings, read and work with the other technical support engineers on case which will help curative that expertise. Okay, so basically you will be handling the support engineers, supporting the product that is happening. So any kind of help that you could provide for that, and debugging, troubleshooting, handling the escalations is what they wanted to perform here. Okay, now the requirements, this is important. So good written and verbal communication skill is required by them, and good interpersonal communication, customer service skills are needed in order to work successfully with customers in high stress or ambiguous situations. Understanding in virtualization and cloud computing will be preferred. Open to work in rotational shift, that is night or day. Then understanding of some of the following technologies like networking, storage, Linux, Windows, clustering, DHCP, DNS, Windows 2003 and 8. Then strong aptitude for learning new technologies and understanding how to utilize them in a customer-faced environment. Ability to follow standard engineering principles and practice logical approach to problem solving. Okay, so they have not mentioned like you must know this technology, that's technology, but the list of technologies, they wanted to know the basic networking, storage kind of things, and some of the interpersonal skills. So if you are good with that, then you can apply it in here. Okay, now These are the details, email ID, everything, your education details, everything you have to provide it here. And if you have already working, since they have mentioned current CTC, you have to provide, and notice period also you can provide. Then have you been interviewed in last 3 6 months, every fields we need to provide it in here and submit for the application. Okay, so this is about the application process in VMware. Now coming to the CTC provided, it's greater than five plus LP is the base average salary, and they have mentioned if you are working also you can try it here. So it do differs according to if you have any few months of work experience, if you hold any offer letter, like accordingly it can vary. So this is the average salary that VMware do provide for the freshers for this associate technical support engineer role. Okay, so all the links to apply for both of the job that I've presented today will be there in the description section. We can get it from there. And for this course also, if you wish to get in, the link will be there in the description. You can get it from there and try applying it at the earliest. Okay. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.